I've been using these cheap $16 FPV cameras from Hobby King for a while now. I decided to try out the Surveilzone Mini 600 TV line WDR camera. This camera comes in a small 25mm form factor and is encased in metal. While flying FPV with standard goggles, you're really only seeing about 480 TV lines. This camera has 600 versus the Hobby King camera that has 490, so you really won't notice a huge difference in resolution. The real benefit with this camera is its dynamic range. Dynamic range is how much detail the camera captures between the lightest lights and the darkest darks. Here's a dynamic range comparison. Notice you're able to see detail from inside and outside from the Surveilzone camera, while the Hobby King camera shows detail from inside or out, but not both. Now for a field of view test. Both cameras have the stock lenses. As you can see, the Surveilzone camera has a wider field of view. In my opinion, this is better for FPV. If you upgrade from a 2.8mm lens to a 2.1mm lens, your field of view is basically 180 degrees. It's nuts. Here's a low light test. The Surveilzone camera is way better, but it does have a strange ghosting effect. Here's more image comparison video. At only $39, this camera is a great upgrade from its cheap counterparts. After trying it out on my behemoth wing, I'm sure this is one of the best FPV cameras for the price, and I would highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, bye.